It's a certified 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Forged from capability, bathed in luxury, this Grand Cherokee elevates your adventures. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, auto-dimming mirrors, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. The Car Connection highlights the 8-speed automatic transmission that boosts mileage in all powertrains. Experience the Jeep life. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
For service, selection, and value, choose Armory Garage. Stop in today and check us out. We are conveniently located at 926 Central Avenue in Albany, New York.